This is a tutorial on how to use Google Docs. From your drive, if you click New and choose Google Docs, this is going to bring up a brand new Google Doc for you. It's going to show untitled, and it's going to give you a blank word processing document. We're going to make the title of our document sample, and then we're just going to type whatever we want here to show how it works. If you notice on the top, it shows all changes saved in Drive. One of the nice things about working with Google products is that it automatically saves all of your changes for you. You don't have to go up and click save every few minutes to make sure that your work is saved. It automatically does that for you. You have all of your normal formatting options across the top. You have your normal file, edit, view, insert, format, and so on across the top as well. One of the cool things about documents or Google Docs is the sharing and collaboration feature. On the top right, you have a share button, and right now this document you can share with other people. So when you start to type in their name, it shows you somebody in our organization that you can share this with. This pencil shows that she can edit this file directly, but if you click on the drop down arrow, it means she can only comment or she can only view. So I only want her to view this document. This box shows that you can add a note, and then this box that says notify people, that means that Google Docs is going to send this person an email letting them know that you've shared a document with them. Now you have advanced features as well, so if you click advanced, it shows right now this is private and only I can access this. In addition to me being able to access this, this person is able to access this because I've given them permission to do so. If you change your permissions, you have all of these options to choose from. You can choose on to anyone with the link, so that means anybody who has the link to this document can access it and they do not have to sign in. You can change it to anybody within Decatur Township and they do have to sign in, or anyone within Decatur Township and they do not have to sign in. Right now the link is off, so it's only shared with certain people. Once you've made your change here, you click save, but we're going to leave it alone, so we're going to hit cancel. And once you're ready, you hit send. That's going to send the email to that person you've shared it with, and now they can go in and they can also type on this document and it will save their changes as well. So now you both can make changes and edits on the same document. And that's all there is to Docs.